Muling pumirma ng kontrata ang Kapuso News pillar na si Mel Tiangco bilang anchor ng 24 oras. Pinangunahan niya ni GMA Chairman Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr., Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong, at Senior Vice President for Integrated News Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso. Dumalo rin sina GMA Integrated News Consultant Grace de la Peña Reyes at Vice President and Deputy Head for News Programs and Specials, Michelle Seva, at iba pang opisyal ng GMA Integrated News. Naging emosyonal naman si Mel habang pinapanood ang mga mensahe ng kanyang mga kasamahan sa GMA Integrated News.
Si Mel, or Tita Mel, as she is fondly called by everybody here, in GMA and in GMA Kapuso Foundation, ay hindi lamang icon, kundi isang institusyon na. Sapagkat ang puso ni Mel ay talagang nasa tamang lugar at alam ng mga tao na hindi plastic ang kanyang desire to help, kung hindi tunay at totoo.
Maraming salamat for being who you are and for being what you've become. We continue to be inspired by you and continue to be motivated in knowing that we have the Mel Tiangco as a kapuso.
I've been telling her this. She is the most credible broadcast journalist in the country.
You are inspiration not only for those on cam, but behind cam. Again, Tita Mel, thank you. And we are so proud to have you continue as our anchor for 24 oras.
Ako man din po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil sa mga opportunities that had opened to me because of my stay in GMA. At ang pinakamabigat na nga sa lahat na yan ay ang pagtatatag ng GMA Kapuso Foundation. Napakasarap yung nagtatrabaho ka na, nabibiyayaan ka pa sa langit.
Mga kapuso, alamin ang State of the Nation. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa ating mga kapuso abroad, samahan niyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.